Well, that's gonna need fixed.
Let's hop to it.
Morning, folks. Happy Monday. We got our 308. We got delivered Friday. I'm gonna get the inside of this all cleaned up. It's a little dirty. Got my simple green. Good stuff right there. But yeah, I'm gonna get this cleaned up and we'll start with our day. Well, it's not perfect, but it's better than what it was. At least you can see out the windows now. We are headed to dig up that broken downspout that's right here. They must have hit it when they were spraying gravel in the back patio right before they poured or set up. So, stuff happens. We'll just get it fixed. Shouldn't be too big. Might have to get the 305 in here to dig it up. This might be a little too big. Why do I smell coolant? What we're going to do is we're going to install a T right about where my bucket is. I'm going to come out and shoot over to the edge of the patio there. We just barely got to dig this up. I could have probably done it with a shovel. So I guess the gutter guys are coming for this one, so I gotta hurry up and get that fixed. We get to watch them fix this for free. Frank came and took over, I should say. We're gonna install this T. We're gonna come out, we're gonna install it first, and then it's gonna come out, we're gonna 90 all the way to about, let's say there. Make it match up to the edge of that beam up there. And call it good. There's it. Plug. Yeah, right. Stick that right in there so it'll fit. We can't cut this at 90s directly around this corner, so we would have to tunnel under the concrete, and we can't do that. Ends right here, so it bows, you know, or it ovals. It ovals out right there.
Get the shovel and pry it out.
Yeah, right. Oh, that whole fitting is broken. Sweet.
Hey, the boys made us some good news.
Oh, well, there goes that.
Might as well.
Those things are sharp. There we go, yeah, right there.
Yeah.
There are two rooms. Hold. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a T, so yeah.
Yeah.
That'll do. For free. It's a directional T. Flow's going out that way towards our soakage trench. This on. Of course, blew it, but like that. So now that's our height. I'm gonna come in and scratch all this down. This is in the way though. It got a little warm, but being that post, there's no post there on the concrete to support that, I can't dig around that or that whole thing will come falling down. We're just gonna leave it open for right now until they come and put a post up. Then we'll run our rain drain up there. But we're gonna get back to moving some dirt. We got a lot of dirt to move. No, the yellow one is, the yellow extension cord is the siders over there, but the orange extension cord is ours. Yeah, I went on a search. So we obviously had to shop vac some of the gravel out of that pipe. So brought the shop vac and the extension cord, but the temporary power pole is not connected. So that's why I call it temporary, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
All right, we're back. Grading. South. Property line is way over there. This house has, I don't know, 15 foot property line. The next house only has about 5. Take all this high dirt, throw it over here. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but the dirt is at the bottom of the vent over there, which is at the bottom of concrete there. I want a subtle slope. It's a little bit too much, so I'm going to build it up. They can flow out that way, and then I like the reach on this machine. It's not as smooth as the Cabelco, but power is better in my opinion. So the boss showed up and wants us to bring in more dirt to these backyards. You can see property line that kind of goes at an angle right there. He wants to build it up so everything flows out to our valley that we're gonna have in the middle, and the dirt's right on property line, and they'll sit their fence on it, and no water will go over here onto this property. So we changed things up. I gotta go move over on that dig out, start that, and dig out the approach and the sidewalks. I'm gonna get headed down there and probably go take lunch. Pretty sure Frank's hungry too. He's getting that all nice and graded out. So we're back from lunch. Ate some leftover ribs that I boiled and baked last night. Anyway, so we got the plans to start this dig out, but I can't find the property pin. It's over there. So I think they buried it or already started somewhat digging it. I'll grab a shovel. Somewhat digging it. We dug around there and they're on that area it's supposed to be before. We couldn't find it, so I'm thinking maybe they poured concrete over it. So we're gonna go find that, or see if we can find it. That is a thick piece of concrete. But I got a call from the boss saying we're gonna switch gears. Robert's coming. He's gonna come do this dig out with a 308. I'm gonna hop on the skid steer. Steve's coming. He's gonna load out some dirt, and so we can throw it in all them backyards. And we are all over the place today. It is what it is. I'm gonna keep finding this till Robert gets here. Help him out a little bit. He can't really shovel. He's old.
Oil pain in the know that.
Favorite part
part of the job right there.
They call that the love rock, baby. That'd be cool to get something engraved on it. The love rock? Oh, yeah. All right, so power inspections came for this one, but not that one over there. So now I'm just gonna push dirt in this, fill it in. There's homeowners here, so that means we gotta stop. It's too loud, it's not safe. And oh, big old hornet, get out of there. And anyway, thank you guys for watching. It was a short little video today. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, and we'll catch you guys on the next time.